Hi, I'm Stuart Schwabe. Welcome back to the FNB Whistleblower. Tomorrow night at 6 p.m, I go live on TikTok with a major update on my whistleblower story. After many communications with FirstRand's company secretary, I'm exposing how whistleblower issues are sidelined. Didn't even reach the directors. My 11 million rand claim was dismissed without transparency or ethics, which is probably the case of all whistleblowers. We'll unpack the governance paradox. Board claims control but delegates whistleblower issues to mid-level staff. No oversight, no accountability. I'll share the timeline, the documents, and the unanswered questions. It's time to challenge silence with truth. Set your reminder, share widely, like and comment to support whistleblower integrity.